Hello everyone, and welcome back to another exciting video of the Sublimation Focus. In today's video, we will discuss the best 3D printers for the money. 3D printing is a revolutionary technology that has changed how we design and create objects. This fantastic printer is used for professional and hobbyist purposes, making it an excellent investment for anyone wanting to create custom 3D objects. With the right 3D printer, you can quickly and easily create amazing 3D creations without additional costs. For your help, we have compiled a list of the best 3D printers for the money. We have tested and reviewed each printer to ensure they offer great value for money and amazing performance. The output of the 3D printers is highly accurate and reliable. Each printer's output is in full HD resolution, giving you unique details to your prints. For your need, we have also included the link to each printer in the description box below so you can purchase them without the hassle. The best thing is that these provided links are updated daily to ensure you get the best deals in town. So without further ado, let's dive into our list. Number 1 is X1-Carbon Combo High-Speed Multicolor Printer. For those desiring a 3D printer that delivers exceptional value for money, the X1-Carbon Combo High-Speed Multicolor Printer is a top-tier option. The printer's advanced features and cutting-edge AI first-layer detection system set it apart from competitors. This system automates several key steps in the printing process, such as nozzle height detection, extrusion flow calibration, and first-layer scanning, making the printing process effortless. What makes the X1 particularly impressive is its ability to use high-end consumables, including carbon fiber reinforced nylon, and other durable, self-lubricating materials. Such materials provide unmatched durability, making them ideal for creating parts that stand up to everyday uses rigors. Additionally, the X1 is incredibly user-friendly, thanks to its sophisticated structural design and good thermal control technology. With its support for LAN, WAN, offline printing, and cloud printing via PC and mobile clients, the X1 is perfect for anyone seeking to take their 3D printing skills to the next level. Whether you're printing structural parts, transmission parts, or anything in between, if you are interested in this printer, then check out the link in the description box to buy it.